Okay, back again, another Animoji testing perhaps. So basically I tried to use the last things that I basically unboxed, which is the car key cover. That's pretty rare if you basically try to find one that basically in the same type of vehicle, because although the vehicle is actually pretty common, but the vehicle is pretty rare, so that's the reason why I cannot find one that basically dedicated to specific type only. So that's the reason why I decided to bought the universal for a specific brand instead, which is still perfectly, and it's actually better because it's a form of Nintendo Switch, really small Nintendo Switch, or maybe just Joy-Con controller. Yeah, the remaining part of the video I basically try to test the oximeter, the very cheap oximeter, which is definitely worthy, but I don't know whether it is accurate or not, because yeah, it's less than $1. I just can't imagine, because it does have some sort of LCD, like calculator LCD screen that have various kind of color, LED color perhaps, sure. And yeah, this used to be very expensive when pandemic are just started, and right now many people are already think it is long time over, and yeah, many people are already moved on into their new life just like they used to be. So yeah, everything is no longer able to be back again, perhaps. I don't know, unless the end of the world perhaps.